Nestled amidst breathtaking mountain and ocean views lies OVD 919, a contemporary masterpiece designed by SAOTA architects. This stunning home seamlessly blends into its environment, offering a haven of luxury and tranquility. The challenge for SAOTA was to create a home that embraced the panoramic views while maintaining privacy. The site, perched on a mountain ridge below Lion's Head, demanded a sensitive approach that respected the surrounding national park. The architects responded with a layered design. Secondary spaces were placed at the lower levels, hidden by a large, landscaped wall. This wall cleverly allows natural light and ventilation while maintaining privacy. Upon arrival, a dramatic entrance awaits. You're drawn through a double-volume garage adorned with graffiti art towards a light-filled entryway. Sculptural timber stairs wrap around a central glass elevator, leading you to the heart of the home. The genius of OVD 919 lies in its blurred boundaries. The main living areas, pool terrace, and garden flow seamlessly together. Whether it's an intimate gathering by the fireplace in the winter lounge or lively meals in the summer lounge with its dramatic high ceilings, the home adapts to any mood. A central courtyard cuts through the living area, offering a tranquil escape. The water feature and weathered COR10 screen create a serene atmosphere, while also reflecting light into the garage below. This playful screen playfully filters light and ensures privacy for the bedrooms above. The upper floors are a testament to the home's focus on the view. Monolithic white concrete beams appear to float on light facades, with minimal mullions obstructing the breathtaking panorama. Inside, the absence of walls and columns maximizes the view. A ribbed concrete soffit creates a sense of continuity, while polished concrete floors blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living. OVD 919 is a fusion of contemporary design and timeless elegance. Natural oak floors and brass insets in the bedrooms add a touch of warmth, while the master bedroom boasts an expansive planter that reinforces the connection between the home and its natural surroundings. OVD 919 is more than just a house. It's a sculptural sanctuary designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. It's a home that embraces the beauty of nature, offering a haven of peace and tranquility amidst breathtaking views.